McBride. He and I took a stroll down by the seaside, a-seeking good fortune and what might betide. 'Twas just as the day was a-dawning, then after resting we both took a tramp. We met Sergeant Harper and Corporal Cramp, besides the wee drummer who beat up for camp with his rowdy-dow-dow in the morning. Says, my young fellows, if you will enlist, a guinea you quickly will get in your fist, besides a crown to kick off the dust and drink the king's health in the morning. For a soldier he leads a very fine life, he always is blessed with a charming young wife, and he pays all his debts without sorrow or strife, and always lives happy and charming. Oh, now, me bold sergeant, we are not for sale. We'll make no such bargain, and your bribe won't avail. We're not tired of our country, we don't care to sail, although that your offer is charming. And if we were such fools as to take the advance, it's right bloody slender would be our poor chance. But the Queen wouldn't scruple to send us to France, where we would be shot without warning. Says the sergeant, if I hear but one word, I instantly now will out with my sword, and into your bodies the strength will afford. So now, my gay devils, take warning. But Arthur and I, we took the odds, we gave them no chance for to launch out their swords. Our whacking shillelaghs came over their heads and paid them right smart in the morning. As for the wee drummer, we rifled his pouch, and we made a football of his rowdy-dow-dow, and into the ocean to rock and to row, and bade a tedious returning. As for the old rapier that hung by his side, we flung it as far as we could in the tide. To the devil I pitch you, says Arthur McBride, to temper your steel in the